Okay, so it's Amanda here. I wanted to just take a photograph of the blanket-like way the clouds have suddenly descended on us, and then the clouds we've got in front of us, or in front of me, and just their formation. It looks like it's a battalion. I don't know. It's just, and they're all heading over in that direction. And then when we look at the west, so this is the west, the sun setting in the west, that's a beautiful, picture of the sun. It's a bit brighter than you can see there, but then you've got this big, massive cloud in front of us. And then over towards the sea, in the south, is it south or north? Yeah. The clouds are a bit kind of, I don't know. We're expecting a tropical storm called Hurricane Kirk, starting from, I think it was 5 a.m. this morning, and is destined to descend on Barbados around Thursday. So there's going to be flood watches and flood warnings. But it's just the way that the sky, you see the clouds just in a kind of line. I put this blanket over blanket of cloud. It's just, I've never seen it before, or maybe I have, but not taken any notice of it. Anyway, so pray for us and all the other islands in the path, and all the other countries that it then descends on to. It's just, a time. I mean, this is the hurricane season, so this is just, I guess, a time where we all have to be mindful and pray and be prepared. All right, so wherever you are, stay safe and stay blessed.